An Introvert's Guide to Email Marketing Success. Are you just starting out with email marketing and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. Email marketing can be a powerful tool to drive sales and build relationships with your audience, but it can also be tricky to navigate. That's why we've created this beginner's guide to email marketing success, to help you go from zero to hero in no time. In this guide, we'll cover the basics of email marketing, from building your email list to crafting compelling subject lines and creating engaging content. We'll also explore the different types of email campaigns you can run, such as welcome emails, promotional emails, and newsletters. Plus, we'll share tips on how to measure the success of your campaigns and improve your results over time. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to create effective email campaigns that drive real results for your business. So, let's get started. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the practice of sending promotional messages to a group of people via email. It is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, allowing them to build relationships with prospects, customers, and clients. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing, which means that the message is delivered directly to the recipient's inbox. This makes it a highly effective form of advertising, as it allows businesses to reach their target audience directly. Email marketing campaigns can take many forms, including newsletters, promotional emails, and transactional emails. These campaigns can be used to drive sales, build brand awareness, and engage with customers. In addition, email marketing can be highly targeted, allowing businesses to reach specific segments of their audience with personalized messages. Benefits of email marketing. There are many benefits to email marketing, including 1. Increased sales and revenue. Email marketing can be used to promote products and services, driving sales and revenue for businesses. By sending targeted and personalized messages to prospects and customers, businesses can increase their chances of making a sale. 2. Improved customer relationships. Email marketing can be used to build relationships with prospects, customers, and clients. By providing valuable content and personalized messaging, businesses can engage with their audience and build trust over time. 3. Low cost. Email marketing is a relatively low-cost form of advertising, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Compared to other forms of advertising, such as television or print ads, email marketing is much more affordable. 4. Measurable results. Email marketing campaigns can be tracked and measured, allowing businesses to see the impact of their efforts. By analyzing data such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, businesses can refine their campaigns and improve their results over time. Building your email list. Before you can start sending emails, you need to build an email list. Your email list is a group of people who have given you permission to send them promotional messages via email. Building a high-quality email list is essential to the success of your email marketing efforts. Here are some tips for building your email list. 1. Offer something of value. In order to get people to sign up for your email list, you need to offer them something of value in exchange. This could be a free ebook, a discount code, or access to exclusive content. 2. Make it easy to sign up. Make sure that the sign-up process is easy and straightforward. Include a sign-up form on your website and social media profiles, and make sure that it is easy to find. 3. Use pop-ups and slide-ins. Pop-ups and slide-ins can be effective ways to get people to sign up for your email list. Just be sure to use them sparingly, as they can be annoying if overused. 4. Host a giveaway. Hosting a giveaway can be a great way to encourage people to sign up for your email list. Just be sure that the prize is relevant to your brand and audience. 5. Leverage social media. Use social media to promote your email list and encourage people to sign up. You can also use social media to run contests and giveaways to grow your email list. Crafting compelling subject lines. The subject line is the first thing people see when they receive your email, so it is essential to be attention-grabbing and compelling. Here are some tips for crafting compelling subject lines. 1. Keep it short and sweet. Keep your subject line short and to the point. Most email clients truncate subject lines that are too long, so aim for 50 characters or less. 2. Use personalization. Personalize your subject lines to make them more engaging. Use the recipient's name or location, or reference something that they have previously shown interest in. 3. Create a sense of urgency. Creating a sense of urgency can be an effective way to get people to open your email. Use phrases like limited time offer or act now to encourage people to take action. 4. Use numbers and symbols. Using numbers and symbols can help your subject line stand out in a crowded inbox. Just be sure to use them sparingly, as overusing them can make your email look spammy. 5. Test and refine. Test different subject lines to see what works best for your audience. Use A/B testing to compare subject lines and refine your approach over time. Creating engaging email content. Once you have your email list and subject line sorted, it's time to focus on creating engaging email content. Here are some tips for creating compelling email content. 1. Know your audience. Understand your audience and create content that resonates with them. Use language and tone that is appropriate for your brand and audience. 2. Provide value. Provide value to your audience by sharing informative and helpful content. This could be in the form of blog posts, ebooks, or exclusive offers. 3. Use visual elements. Visual elements such as images, videos, and infographics can help to make your emails more engaging and shareable. 4. Keep it concise. Keep your emails short and to the point. Most people don't have time to read long emails, so aim for 300 to 500 words. 5. Include a call to action. Include a clear call to action in your email, encouraging people to take the next step. This could be to visit your website, make a purchase, or sign up for a webinar. Types of email campaigns: welcome, promotional, newsletters. There are several different types of email campaigns that businesses can run, each with a specific goal and purpose. Here are some of the most common types of email campaigns. 1. Welcome emails. Welcome emails are sent to new subscribers, welcoming them to your email list and introducing them to your brand. This is an opportunity to make an excellent first impression and start building a relationship with your audience. 2. Promotional emails. Promotional emails are designed to drive sales by promoting a specific product or service. These emails can be highly targeted, based on the recipient's past purchases or browsing behavior. 3. Newsletters. Newsletters are the regular email that is sent to your email list, providing updates on your business, industry news, and other relevant information. Newsletters can help to keep your audience engaged and informed. Measuring the success of your email campaigns. Measuring the success of your email campaigns is essential to improving your results over time. Here are some key metrics to track. 1. Open rates. Open rates refer to the percentage of people who open your email. A high open rate indicates that your subject line was effective and that your email was relevant and engaging. 2. Click-through rates. Click-through rates refer to the percentage of people who clicked on a link within your email. A high click-through rate indicates that your content and call to action were effective. 3. Conversion rates. Conversion rates refer to the percentage of people who took a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a webinar. Tracking conversion rates can help you to understand the effectiveness of your email campaigns. Email marketing tools and services. There are many email marketing tools and services available to help businesses manage and optimize their email campaigns. Here are some of the most popular options. 1. MailChimp. MailChimp is a popular email marketing platform that offers a range of features, including email design templates, automation, and analytics. 2. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is another popular email marketing platform.